When you wake up, you want?
Anybody wake up, they are cross at morning time. Very cross.
And you have to do what?
You have to have control of yourself.
Yeah.
You know to the fact you do the right thing.
Yeah.
Or else you get out of hand.
Yeah.
I'm very rude.
Yeah.
Because my car bongo come put on your place.
Yeah.
When the vaccine for them bongo.
Yeah.
And where they get it from?
No.
Come.
Then we tap it.
Then we tap it, man.
Then we tap it.
You see me cross. Yes. You don't see me countenance?
Yeah.
Oh my blood. Come now, you know, drinks. Let me pull you. What? Come, you have drinks and beer. Blood clot. This bag of blood. So me not even time to go put you over and kiss you. One of me yard, you know?
Yeah.
Sure, blood clot.
Knowing to the fact say you don't like those things.
No!
You don't like those things.
I've been to all type of institutions.
Yeah.
You can know cleanliness.
Yeah. Which is next to godliness.
That's what you said, man. You want to come give me talk now?
What?
Come here, come give me talk.
Who that you?
Blood,
Who that you talk for? That's it. Who
He said that it's the blood clot. Me not talk. Me complain?
Yeah.
We know how long you.
You hold on me and that me know.
Come climb no man. You don't have to climb pan. Man, I can't tell you, I go because I'm grieved.
Yeah.
I'm very grieved.
Right now.
Right now.
Knowing to the fact say. And I know that you like to be intackable.
Of course.
Knowing to the fact say.
Hey, when you wake, you're half guard, you know.
Yeah.
So you have what it takes.
Yeah.
To make yourself intact.
Yeah.
Guys, I would be hacking all now up.
Yeah.
From there.
Yeah. How would them, man?
How say the man? Pressure to blood clot. Bus piping?
Yeah. Then if you tap it.
Then if you tap it, man. Out of order.
Very out of order. So where are you going now?
I go and so see me can get a good tea. Oh, I'm good. But you catch me off guard back.
All right.
Yeah?
To be continued.
Of course.